Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Google TV. No solution is needed. I'll show you part 2. So this is part 2 of this series. If you have not watched part 1, check out that video, how to watch free movies on Google TV part 1. Now when you watch that, come back and watch part 2. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So in part 2, I'm going to be showing you using the Pluto TV app. So head over to apps and then navigate over to Pluto TV. You can find my Pluto TV right there. I'm going to click on it to launch. And right there you see the Pluto TV application launching. Now Pluto TV will show you free TV, live TV. It will show you movies and TV shows. We're going to need to turn on a VPN. So head over to your VPN, switch it on before proceeding to the Pluto TV app. So now that I have my VPN set up, I could progress to the Pluto TV app and launch it again. So launch the application, and if you see has this message, just exit the app. So exit and relaunch it so that the app launches from scratch. Now when the app launches, you find everything here. These are different live TVs up here. So if under live TV, you could find different TV channels. They will play automatically. You could just choose anyone to play on them and it begins to play. Also, you have free movies and TV shows. Just come over here and you can watch all of these movies and TV shows available here. Different categories as well: classic TV, crime dramas, movies made in Canada, movies made this month. Everything is available. Everything is so easy to access. So just choose what you want and enjoy these free movies and free TV shows on Pluto TV. So that's it for this tutorial. If it was useful, let me know below in the comments. Smash this subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.